When cleaning and sanitizing, there are a number of steps we want you to follow when you're taking part in this process. The first thing you want to do before you start is to wash your hands. You wash your hands, you dry them, and you put on your gloves. Putting on gloves is pretty straightforward. Slip your hands into the gloves, and when you do this, you make sure that your gloves do not have any nicks, tears, any holes, anything that would allow the chemical to get on your hands. Once the gloves have been securely put on, the next thing to do is to mix your sanitizer. Now, we're going to look at two methods today for mixing your sanitizer. If at any point in time you miss any part of these steps, you can go to the GIS website and you will find all of that information right there. So let's begin the process. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to mix what is called a 0.5% chlorine solution. Now, this is usually done when you are cleaning areas which may have body fluids on them, or areas which have high contamination. So the first thing you want to do is to take your water, and we're going to mix 1 gallon. Now, for this purpose, I have taken my container. I have previously measured a gallon in the container, and I marked it with a piece of tape. What that does is to ensure that the next time I mix chlorine, I don't have to go and measure again. I can go straight to the pipe and I can get my quantities correct. It is important to get your quantities correct. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add some water to this. I have my gallon of water here. I'm going to add about a 1/4 gallon of water to the container. Then we're going to mix 1.5 cups of chlorine bleach. So we're going to measure out 1.5 cups. All right. If you go a little over, that's okay, but just make sure you don't go too far over. 1.5 cups. And then we will add the rest of our water. It's like making a sandwich. Water, chlorine bleach, or any sort of disinfector. Then you add your water and you bring it right up to the quantity that you want. Now, the beauty of this is that as you add your water afterwards, it mixes your chlorine, the whole solution, so you don't have to put your hands or anything in there to mix it. And there you are. That is your 0.5% solution of chlorine sanitizer. So we've mixed our cleaners, we've done our cleaning, the place is nice and sanitary. Now what we want to do is take our gloves off. To take the gloves off, the first thing you want to do is to grab the glove right at the wrist. You take a nice hold of the glove and you pull the glove back, leaving your hands open. You crimple the glove in this hand. You take the other hand, 2 fingers, and you slide it under the bottom of the other glove, and you pull that off, ensuring that the outer part of the glove does not touch the hand. Once you have finished, once you've taken your gloves off, you discard your glove into the waste basket, and then you wash your hands again. And that's it.